Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Flow not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first fix is to go ahead and open up your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome and basically want to go ahead and clear cache. So to do this, click on the settings. On the left hand side, we've got privacy and security tab. Click onto that. Now to the right, under privacy and security, look for delete browsing data. So we want to go ahead and delete cookies cache. Click into that, little window is going to appear like so. Now from here, just go ahead, click on show more, and just basically make sure cached images and files and cookies and other site data is selected. From here, click onto more, click on all time, and click delete data. Now the third fix is to go ahead and make sure Google Chrome is up to date. So go ahead and click on about Chrome. If it is up to date, it's going to tell you. If it isn't, it's going to say here to install the latest software version. And the last fix is to go ahead and use a different browser. So we can try Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or whatever other browser you've got on your PC, and see if it works there. If it does, that means the browser you are trying to use Google Flow on is causing the issue. So what I suggest is go ahead, run these updates, even uninstall it and install that browser again to see if that will fix your issues. And one more thing as well, go ahead and disable extensions, because these can cause a lot of issues. So just disable extensions. If you've got a lot of these extensions, it's a very good idea to just go ahead and disable them. And now if it works by disabling those extensions, go back to your extensions and just start enabling these one by one again to find out which extension is causing those issues.